Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Pretty rough day today. Not in the sense of like the price crashed or anything, but there are a lot of stocks around the markets that were making very, very impressive movements, and GameStop kind of just chopped around sideways. It started off very nicely. I mean, so don't get me wrong. It's not like there was never any signs of strength. I mean, that opening part of the day was fantastic, but after that, price just dropped and then just chopped around, back and forth the rest of the day. So like I said, I'm not saying that in the sense of, and therefore this thing is about to crash. I'm just saying as a general observation, if I would have said, hey, what do you think GameStop would do when you look around and see all these other stocks making moves? I would say, hey, I bet GameStop is going to have a pretty nice move on that day too. And that just didn't quite happen. So still all comes back down now to that purple line right there, which I know I've talked about in past videos. That purple line on my chart representing the 50-period moving average. And you can see that's just been a very stubborn level. Again, yes, the price did break above it earlier on, but then the price dropped back below it. And you can see that area went right back to acting as resistance, as it had been doing. So that is, still going to remain that key level that'll need to be broken before really anything else really plays out. And then again, from the resistance side of things, you also want to keep an eye on that pink line up there, the 200-period moving average. But those will be the main areas of resistance here headed forward. And we'll see if the price can, like I said, at least start to get some breaks and closes up above that 50-period moving average. In terms of levels of support, nothing new here to report. Still have the levels down here at 152 and then 149. Although I will say that there has been this little miniature trend line that's been put into place here. So that doesn't necessarily mean that it's, the price is guaranteed to continue on up. But like I said, I don't want to make it seem like it's all bearishness because the price is actually starting to show some signs of progress via that trend line there. So watch that moving forward, and we'll see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.